Right, now ordered some set of elixirs, tens from Strings Direct. So pretty good coated strings, a little bit more expensive than regular strings, but they last a long time and they're coated. So some people like and some don't, but I tend to use these quite a lot. Anyway, so they were from Strings Direct if anyone's after a set of strings. Right, okay, so that's that. So there you go, elixirs 10 to 46, and then nano webs. So these are nickel plated steel, but I think they are coated. Yeah. Anyway, so but yeah, get a pair of tens. I've used nines in the past, but I tend to use tens now because I like the feel of the strings more than nines. Nines are a bit too loose for me. Right. Anyway, so I'm gonna open this up. So I'm gonna go. I tend to go for the bottom one, which is the 46 first. So quickly open that, find that on there. Do that. So get the guitar. I haven't got a workbench, so I'm having to use my bed. Thread it through. So it's going through the hole. Bring that through there. So I bring that up to there. Wish I had somewhere I could hold this, but do it to there. Isn't always the correct way of doing this. And I go inside instead of out. So I'm going to do about 2 there. Bring that round. It's not always the easiest. If you've got lock-in tuners, it helps a lot. It's a bit easier than doing it this way. Then I'll thread that through. That's it. Bring it through. There. Bring it through there and tighten that. So that's there. So I'm gonna tighten that. Hold that tight there. Twist that round. Should be. Yeah, no, it's the other way. Don't always get it right. So we're tightening that. So it's close to go. I go twice. You can go 3 times, but it's a bit more harder. So there. So I'm going to do all the other ones, and I'll come back in a minute.